Hello and welcome to ExcelTutorialFree.com, where you get to learn Microsoft Excel for free with these videos. And these are the following sections you should visit on our website. Single features on Excel will show you how each single feature works. Project examples is where we put it all together with different tools all in one. And custom videos is where we respond to people's questions posted in the forum section. In this video, I'm going to be covering mainly what you see in this little area right over here. Okay, you'll see where it says alignment, and basically it's part of formatting cells. So over here, if I'm going to X out, there was this little arrow over here, and this format cells is pretty much the full version. And over here is what you see as somewhat of the shortcut buttons available. So first example I'm going to do, I'm going to go to A1 and I'm going to write example, B2, I'm going to write 2 and 3 and then 4. Okay. What I want to go ahead and do is let's talk about this area right over here. I'm to actually see the difference, because right now if I click on all three, you don't see a difference. So to make you understand what the difference is I'm going to highlight the row, and I'm going to go to Format, I'm going to go to Row Height, I'm going to go to 30, okay, and this is just to show you an example. Okay, don't worry about that Format and Row Height right now. The main thing right now I wanted to show you is that when there's spacing, look what this does. Exactly, so it'll put the text either at the bottom, in the middle, or up top. So this is what all these three do. Then I'm going to expand this a little bit more to show you what these three do, which is your left align, your middle, and your right align. Okay. This little feature over here, it could basically angle things or make it vertical. Let's bring it back one. And for example, if I'm going to make it counterclockwise, of course I got to have this a little bit bigger to understand the example. So if I went ahead and did vertical, then there you go, it's going to write it vertical. So that's pretty much what this does. You can play with it. It's got different ones that you could do. I'm going to go ahead and bring it back to the normal right now. And that's what this little AB with the arrow does over here. Now let's go over to wrap text over here. Wrap text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write, for example, here, let's go and let's leave example here. And I'm going to go to 3 and I'm going to write 3, and this is what I want to show you. So right now you can see that I have a long sentence and it's hidden under this cell. So what wrap text does, if I hit it, you'll see that it wrapped it around. Of course, if I still want to see it all, I got to make it spacey enough for me to see this. So this is where I can utilize this to go, okay, I want to center this, and I want to bring this towards the middle. So that's what wrap text does. Okay? Alright, and let me now go ahead and show you what merge and center does. Okay? So for example, if I have this word 4.7 years ago, I don't know what it is, whatever. Okay, so now as you can see, it looks like it's part of all these three cells, but it's still really in its own cell. If I come over here, you'll see there's nothing up here. So what I want to do, if I want to combine it, is I'll highlight all three of these, and I'm going to merge and center. And it merges it all into one cell. This is all becomes in that one cell. And if you want to undo it, you just click merge and center again. And then you have other options as well, which you could play with. But that's the idea of merge and center. And this kind of concludes this little area up here. And that concludes today's video by ExcelTutorialFree.com. Stay tuned for more videos.